Integrating Txtplay with Kaltura requires your attention because there is a lot of steps that you need to go through. But when the integration is set, you can edit the subtitles directly in Kaltura and you have all the work in one place. Additionally, you can choose multiple languages for the integration to work with. To create the integration between Txtplay and Kaltura, first you need to go to the integrations page on Txtplay and click on the small green button next to the Kaltura logo. Here you need to fill in the administration secret and partner ID. To know what to fill in here, you need to log into Kaltura. You can find the required information under Settings and Integrations. Copy your partner ID and administration secret and enter them into the fields in Txtplay. Next, you choose your default language, and you will be able to add more languages if you want to or need to. If you have an on-prem version of Kaltura, you enable that on this button here and enter your service URL. However, for this demonstration, I will show you the integration with Kaltura's cloud version. So here I click on Create. The next step is to add multiple languages so that you can have a list in Kaltura where you can choose the language for the subtitles. Click on Language Configuration, and here you see that you need the schema ID, schema system name, and custom field system name. And to know what to fill in, you need to go to Kaltura and find this information. Go to Settings and select Custom Data. If you already have a custom schema here, you can use it, but I will create a new one first. So I click on Add Custom Schema. Start to fill in the custom schema title and system name. I write captions for both here, and then I skip to fill in a description. The next step is to add a custom field, so I click on Add Custom Field, and here I choose Text Select List. Now you need to create a list of the languages you want to use. First, I write no captions, and then I write Swedish, Danish, and English. And here you can write in any language you want to, so if you want to have it in French, you can do that. Then fill in the field label. I write automatic subtitles. And I will skip doing a description here as well. So I just click Save. Now your custom schema is ready and you have a schema ID and schema system name. You can find them here, and you need to copy these values and paste them into the right fields in Txtplay. You also need to fill in the custom field system name. To find it, you click on your custom schema and click on the field you just added. Copy this under system name and paste it into the custom field system name field in Txtplay. Now all the languages we added in Kaltura should also be added in Txtplay. The first one I added was no captions, so I'll start by selecting none here, and then I add Swedish, Danish, and English, and click on Add. Under Kaltura language, enter what should appear in the list in Kaltura. The important thing here is to write the same thing that you did in Kaltura. So if you wrote in French in Kaltura, you need to write in French here as well. Since I wrote in English, I will write no captions, Swedish, Danish, English. And then I click Apply. Now the integration is complete, multiple languages are added, and you can upload your video. When the video appears in the list, click on it and scroll down to the subtitles. In the list, select the appropriate language and press Save. This will send the video to Txtplay for transcription. And when the transcription is complete, you can click on the video and go to Captions. You can choose whether the subtitles should be visible or not. And here in the closed caption editor, you can access and edit your subtitles. It is also possible to edit the subtitles in Txtplay. Just remember to synchronize your changes with the integration so that the adjustments will show up in Kaltura as well.